In this video, we want to make a cable for the system, for example. So normally, if we want to make a cable, you can connect a line from here, and this line can be overhead line, it can be cable or anything. The thing that you should define is from the type. If you click here, new project, here you can make a line type. If you click, here is just the simplified version of the line. So here we can say, okay, how much is the R, X, and the rated voltage, and current, and etc. But if you want to define that super accurately, you should click here, new project, and here we have cable definition. So in the cable definition, you can design your cable based on the diameter of the cable and the thickness and everything. So here in the cable type, if you double click here, you can make a new object. Here we have single core cable and multi-core cable. So in the single core, we have 3 single core, and they will be installed on the ground separately. In the multi-core, we have only one of them. So if you click on the single core cable type, click OK, then you will have this window. So on this window, you can see this is the cable that you have. This is for only single phase. This red one is the conductor. Then here we have the insulation, sheaths, armor, the oversheaths, armor, and serving. So all of them are, you can see here. So the thickness on the cable is 2.5 millimeter, and for all of them is only 1 millimeter. So for example, if on the outer diameter is a 5. So if I change the sheath to 4 millimeter, for example, you can see it's increased. One is like this. And here you can change the resistivity and filling factor, DC resistance, temperature coefficients. You can change here, and you can design the cable. So if we just leave like this as default, here you should just change the rated voltage. Click OK, click OK. Then you designed the cable type here. So here, if you click on the circuit position, you should define the positions of each cable. If I click OK now, you can see we have an error because we didn't define the X and Y of the cables. You can change it here like this, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 1, something like this. Or you can check automatic, and automatically it will make the cables like this. Or we can reduce this, you can see 0.1. If you click on flat, they will install it in flat. If you click on trefoil, they will install like this. Or you can see here, we can 0.2, for example. Here 0.5, for example, you can see we can change the diameter, the distance of the cable is also here. Then click OK. Everything regarding for this cable will be shown here. So the positive sequence impedances, resistances will be calculated accurately here.